It's January 5th, 2012, and I just got my Think Geek Mind Explosion kit, and just gonna open her up for you, because I know, and look what I'm using. It's a bottle cap. I don't know if I'm supposed to open it this way, but I'm a boss, so I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, just gotta hold that under my neck while I lose the shot. And lose the shot again. And then lose the shot again. So basically I got a whole bunch of doodads. It's a zombie that's got magnetic limbs, so I can assemble him any way I want. I mean, it doesn't have to be a him, but whatever. Another Think Geek sticker. My 5-in-1 geek pen. Flashlight UV stylus laser pen. And I didn't know I ordered this, but I feel way better now. And another stylus. And I guess my sonic screwdriver will be in the next package.